Hey newbies and vets, welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to chassé. Okay, let's get started. To set up to start chassés, we go ahead and start in fourth position. But instead of our right foot being forward, like in the battements, we start with our left foot forward and our right foot back. Remember, all your weight is going to be on your left leg rather than your right leg. So now that you're set in the fourth position, we're going to start the exercise. So the saying to start is 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on 8, you're going to step out with your right foot. Okay, you're going to be into second position and you're going to bend your knees down. Now when you bend your knees, you want to make sure that your knees are over your feet rather than inwards. Okay, this is going to be down 1. Count down 1. Okay? Also, you want to make sure that your back is flat rather than you going forward. Okay? For example, if you go down, your back is straight rather than forward. That kind of looks good. So after count down 1, you're going to bring in your left leg. You're going to slide in your left leg to your right leg. Okay? So you're going to slide it in here. Your heels should be touching and your toes should be facing out to the 45 still, okay? You should be on your platforms, which means your heel is off the ground and you're here, okay? So you want to make it feel like if somebody's pulling you up, like if you're like a little puppet, somebody's just pulling you up by a string from your head, okay? That'll make you feel even lighter. So this is going to be up 2. So after count up 2, you're going to go back down into the squatting position. You're going to bring out your right leg, and this is going to be count 3. Down 3. Okay? So after down 3, you're going to slide up again, up to here, and this is going to be count up 4. So now altogether, these 4 counts are going to look like this. So you're set, 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, down 1, up 2, down 3, up 4. Now, after count 4, this process is just going to go a little bit faster. So the word chassé means to chase. So your feet are going to be chasing each other, okay? So now, after count 4, you're here. You're going to squat down again. You're going to jump up. Your feet are going to switch, okay? Again. You're up 4. You're going to go down, up, down. So now your feet are going to be switching places. So if you can see, they're going here, here. You're basically skipping to the side, if I should say. Okay? So that's going to be down, up. So after 4, maybe, so I'm going to start from count 3. So you're going to go down 3, up 4. It's going to go down, up, down. Also, I am very sorry about the music in the background. My neighbors decided to play their random music right now, so I'm very sorry about that, okay? But besides that, into it. So after you do down 3, up 4, you're doing 1 chassé. Here, after you do 1, you're going to do 3 more. So the process is going to be down 1, up 2, down 3, up 4, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. You end on a down, okay? So now I'm going to try my very best to replicate the exercise once in this limited space. 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, down 1, up 2, down 3, up 4, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. I know, I'm sorry I went off camera for that. So I'm going to show you up 4. I'm going to start on up 4. So I'm up 4. So you're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. So after the last up, you're going to go stay here down. Okay? During this whole exercise, your hands are going to be here by your sides, flat. I don't want your fingers all wobbly like noodles. Okay? So your hands are here, flat, to the side. And that is it for this video. I am so sorry about the music in the back. My neighbors just decided to play their music while I was recording a video, but that's okay. So if I missed any information, and if it looks like I missed any information or you need some more clarification on information, just let me know during the Zoom meetings, okay? That's what the Zoom meetings are going to be for, if you need clarification, if you need more help on something, alright? So that is it for this video. Thank you and good luck on your audition. Bye!